Hello, welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic 22 best places to kayak in Colorado. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So, let's dive in. Are you looking for the best places to kayak in Colorado? Colorado is a great place to kayak because of its diverse landscape and plethora of rivers and lakes. There are plenty of opportunities for both beginners and experienced kayakers to enjoy the sport here. And the scenery is nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're looking for a peaceful paddle through a serene mountain lake or a whitewater thrill ride down a raging river, Colorado has something to offer everyone. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review 22 best places to kayak in Colorado. Number 1. White River National Forest. Number 2. Dillon Reservoir. Number 3. Arkansas River. Number 4. Blue River. Number 5. Harvey Gap State Park. Number 6. Clear Creek. Number 7. Eagle River. Number 8. Cherry Creek State Park. Number 9. Gore Creek, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.